Hi everyone, I will show you how to use add your sticker on Instagram story. First of all, open your Instagram app and swipe right, and you need to take a picture and tap the sticker icon on the top. Now you can see the add yours icon. Now you can ask any question. If you don't have any question, then tap the dice in the middle of the bottom. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.